Welcome back. This is ReLearning Arithmetic, Adding with Whole Numbers, the Solutions. Okay folks, I'm going to run through some of these fairly quickly, so get ready to hit pause if you need to. These first four exercises have only single-digit numbers, so you pretty much have to have your whole numbers memorized. If that is still causing difficulty, consider starting with one of the numbers and counting up by the other. For example, the second exercise is 3 plus 4. You could start with 3 and count 4 more numbers like 4, 5, 6, 7, and you'll find that 7 is your answer. For this exercise, first we line up the numbers. Then we add the first column, 1 plus 7 is 8, and put the answer below the line. Then we add the second column, 1 plus 1 is 2, and we put the answer below the line. Then there are no more columns to add, so we're done, and the answer is 28. For this exercise, first we line up the numbers. Then we add the ones column, 3 plus 1 is 4. Then we put the answer below the line. Then we add the tens column, 2 plus 4 is 6. Then we put the answer below the line. There are no more columns to add, so we have our answer, which is 64. For this exercise, as usual, we line up the numbers. Then we add the numbers in the ones column. 7 plus 3 is 10, which is more than one digit, so we put the 0 below the line in that column and put the 1 above the next or tens column. Then we add the numbers in the tens column. 1 plus 7 plus 2 is 10 again. Normally we would carry the 1, but there are no more columns to add, so we just put the 10 below the line. Our answer is 100. For this exercise, first we line up the numbers, then we add the numbers in the ones column. The answer is 10, so we put the 0 under the line in this column and carry the 1 above the tens column. Then we add the numbers in the tens column. The answer is 11, but there are no more columns, so we just put the 11 below the line. Our final answer is 110. For this exercise, first we line up the numbers, then we add the ones column. The answer is 9, which we write below the line. Then we add the tens column. The answer is 7, which we write below the line. Then we add the hundreds column. The answer is 5, which we write below the line. Our answer is 579. For this exercise, we line up the numbers. We add the ones column. The answer is 5, and we write that below the line. We add the tens column. The answer is 7, and we write that below the line. We add the hundreds column. The answer is 9, and we write that below the line. Our answer is 975. For this exercise, first we line up the numbers. Since they are all being added as opposed to some being subtracted, multiplied, or divided, we only need to show one plus sign on the lowest line. Then we add the ones, which gives us 7, which we write below the line. Then we add the tens, which gives us 7, which we write below the line. Then we add the hundreds, which gives us 7, which we write below the line. Our answer is 777, 777. For this exercise, first we line up the numbers, then we add the ones, which is 14, so we write the 4 below the line and carry the 1 above the tens column. Then we add the tens, which is 12, so we write the 2 below the line and carry the 1 above the hundreds column. Then we add the hundreds, which is 10, but there are no more columns to add, so we write the 10 below the line. Our answer is 1024. How did you do? If the exercises were not clear, I encourage you to go back and watch Lesson 1 again. I have found that in many subjects, including arithmetic, if there are a sequence of topics that rely on one another, if one topic isn't totally clear, you will likely have difficulty with the next topic in sequence. At this point, you can either move forward to the next lesson on adding with integers, or go back and watch the lesson for these exercises on addition with whole numbers, or if you're just testing yourself and these exercises were clear, you can move on to the next set of exercises. There are links to all of these on this video. Please click on the information link to find the one you want. As always, I welcome all constructive feedback. Hope to see you soon.